In this video we're going to cover how to apply for one of our great residential rental properties. First, let's discuss what you'll need. A government-issued ID. A bank account. Pet screening application. Good credit history. No prior evictions or landlord debt. 3 years of positive and verifiable rental history. To qualify to lease a property, your credit score is important. You'll need a credit score above 660 for each adult individually in the property. We require your net income at least 3 times the rent, with a low debt-to-income ratio. For simple math, if you earn $100,000 a year, you cannot have more than $20,000 in debt or 20% DTI. There are other important approval criteria, and you can find a link to the full approval criteria on this page. After you've paid the application fee and submitted your applications for each adult occupant, you will need to complete a pet screening application for your household. Each household is required to complete a screening at bell.petscreening.com. Applications are reviewed first in, first reviewed basis. Your entire household must have completely submitted and paid apps before we consider your household application set, complete and submitted. Each adult occupant is required to complete an application and qualify on their own credit scores. You'll also need to verify your income by linking your bank account through our application partner RentButter. Once the application set is complete and submitted, your applications will be reviewed and a decision can typically be made between 48 to 72 business hours. If your application is approved, you'll receive notification by email and text, and be provided 48 hours from the time of approval to submit all move-in funds and have all adults sign the lease, regardless of lease inception date. If you're non-responsive to the approval announcement, you will relinquish your approved status within 48 hours of approval. All application fees are non-refundable. If you have questions about our application process or approval standards, you'll find our full qualifying standards, application submission and approval process link on this Help Scout FAQ page. Be sure to review the FAQ Help Scout page thoroughly to understand the approval criteria before submitting and paying for your application. If you're viewing this video on YouTube or elsewhere, please go to our FAQ website and read the full details of the approval criteria and application process. Thanks for taking the time to review this important information. We look forward to welcoming you to one of our great residential rental properties.